Dairy farmers know that every cow counts. During the first few weeks after calving, cows are particularly vulnerable and at risk. One common problem during this period that is often underdiagnosed is ketosis. Ketosis is a common condition that is not recognized on many dairy farms because most of the time you can't see it. The visible signs for ketosis are often either not present or missed, but hidden ketosis is a common problem. Studies indicate that around 30% of cows can be affected by the ketosis you can't see. Even though hidden ketosis is not visible, its effects are unmistakable. Ketosis in early lactation is detrimental to cow health, milk production and future reproductive performance. Research has shown that cows at risk of developing hidden ketosis are 3 to 8 times more likely to develop a displaced abomasum, twice as likely to have retained placenta, 3 times more likely to suffer with metritis, and 6 times more likely to have cystic ovaries. Hidden ketosis may also develop into clinical ketosis. Cows are also at higher risk of being culled. Cows with ketosis produce significantly less milk, tend to have lower conception rates and longer calving intervals. Together, the effects of hidden ketosis could cost around £500 per affected cow. Ketosis is a metabolic problem. Soon after calving, energy demands to produce high quantities of milk exceed energy intake, resulting in an energy gap. So let's have a look at what happens to the dairy cow. The main organs involved in ketosis are the rumen, the liver, and fat or adipose tissue. In normal metabolism, the cow responds to the post-calving energy gap by breaking down reserves of body fat. Fat is broken down into smaller pieces called non-esterified fatty acids, or NEFAs. The NEFAs are released into the bloodstream and transported to the liver. Here they are oxidized into energy. This process is a normal part of early lactation cow physiology. However, it can go wrong. If NEFAs are presented to the liver faster than the liver can completely oxidize them into energy, the intermediate step of ketone formation will back up, and ketones, that's acetone, acetoacetate, and beta-hydroxybutyrate, or BHBA, will spill into the bloodstream, milk and urine. Beta-hydroxybutyrate, or BHBA, is the primary ketone body. When blood BHBA concentrations exceed 1,000 to 1,400 micromoles per litre, ketosis is positively diagnosed. That's when she's at risk of developing other health problems, less milk and reduced fertility, which could cost around £500 per affected cow. The keto test is a quick, easy and cost-effective cow-side test that can be used by farmers for ketosis monitoring. The keto test is a semi-quantitative colorimetric test that measures the ketone beta-hydroxybutyrate, or BHBA, in milk. The concentration of BHBA present in the milk can be estimated by the strength of the colour change. Deeper purples represent greater concentrations of ketones in milk and a greater likelihood of ketosis. For herd-level testing of ketosis, monitor cows every 2 to 3 weeks. Select cows 2 to 21 days post-calving. Selected cows only require one test. A minimum of 12 cows should be tested. To achieve this sample size, smaller herds may require multiple tests over time. To use the keto test, Remove the test strip container from the refrigerator and bring to room temperature. Remove the test strip from the container and immediately close firmly. Keep the other strips in the seal container. Prepare and strip the teat from which you would like to test. Fill a clean sampling container with milk. Record the cow number. Then dip the keto test strip into the milk for 3 seconds and shake off the excess milk. Read the keto test strip after 1 minute, comparing it to the colour chart on the bottle label. Record how many from each test date were positive and how many negative. If more than 25% of cows have positive results, this suggests a potential problem and the herd veterinarian and nutritionist should be consulted.